On day 5, the kids are traveling to North America. So their theme snack is Big Apple mini pies. You're going to make heart-shaped or circular-shaped apple pies using pie crust and apple pie filling. Now my tip for this is if you're buying refrigerated pie crust, don't get the kind in the tins because you need a good-sized heart-shaped cookie cutter to be able to get a decent-sized pie that you can fill with apple filling. So the kind in the pie pans makes it a little harder to roll out. So you want to get the kind that you can roll out or make your own pie crust. You're going to fill it with apple pie filling and you're going to crimp the edges and do an egg wash and a little bit of sugar on top, or you can do, if you want a more coarse sugar on top, like the clear white sprinkles on top. The other snack is global cheese balls. All this is cream cheese and Parmesan cheese. You're gonna get the cheese room temperature, mix them together, then you wanna chill them a little bit, and you're gonna cover them in sprinkles. I use just cookie decorating sprinkles, the sugared sprinkles, blue and green, to make it look like the earth. However, I would recommend waiting right until you're ready to serve them to the kids. For whatever reason, when it's refrigerated, which it's cheese, so it needs to be, it pulls the colors out of the sprinkle. So on these, you can't really tell the difference between the blue and the green anymore. So wait to sprinkle them until right before you serve them to the kids, alongside with some crackers. The healthy snack of the day in honor of North America is going to be Mexican popcorn. That's day 5.